Hello everyone, this is the third question of the 2024 CCC Junior Contest. It's called Bronze Count. So the question is asking you the score for third place and the number of people who scored that score. So first, let's solve the question in Python. So first, we will input the number of scores into N. And then we import the scores one by one into A. And then B will become sorted set A, and what set does is it removes all the repeating numbers in the list. And then sorted will just sort the list from largest to smallest. And then we'll make third max the third largest score. And then count will become the number that appears in A. So then what we'll do is print the third largest number and print how many times it has appeared. This is a C++ version of the code. Thank you for watching.